Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful nail polish with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and see. This will be a beautiful picture. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I completed the picture. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor to color this beautiful nail polish. First one I'm using the red color. Now I'm using the light blue color. Here I'm using the purple color. Let's use the deep pink color. Here I am using yellow color. This is brown color. And the last one I'm using the deep blue color. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.